guys. Okay, we're gonna call this the intermission to the episodes that are going on the bag breakdowns, because the package has arrived. The hunt is over. Let's open the Tory Burch small quilted Charlie. I told y'all I was gonna hunt her down, and I did. Posted that video Sunday. Monday I woke up, I wrote it all down, because you gotta write it down, y'all. The manifestation comes with and writing it down, okay? Wrote it down. Said tomorrow I'm gonna get up, have my coffee, and I'm gonna just start going at it. I went on Tory Burch's site. It has a list of all the stores, one by one by one. I read them to see, because some of them only had outlets, and I was like, okay, let me see this, that, or the other. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana. The home team came through. What? Who that's? Okay. Black and gold. For the black and gold bag. So let's open it. Because I was just like, I called that store when she replied and then told me, you know, all the stuff. And I had to call to make my payment over the phone. Baby, I always see it as you do a good deed and it comes back tenfold to you. My cousin really, really wanted that bag. Y'all know me by this point. It's fine. If that's going to make somebody happy, over the moon, and there's no way to get it any quicker, let's do this. Not charging extra or anything. She bought it, and that's her 40th birthday bag. Here I am. Birthday a week after hers. Y'all, my lips ashy. I don't know, that might be the light. But after trying on the Charlie, but it was white at the store, yeah, I needed to go home right then and start hunting, but I didn't. I went on, gave my little self a little grace. Started hunting Monday. So let me go grab the box so we can open it, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Oh, I'm at the trip. The chair tried to trip me. Okay, here we are. Y'all, let me tell y'all. I'm going to show y'all too, because I took a picture of it to show y'all. I text, y'all, I'm freezing in here too. My husband got the air on Antarctica, so if I could put 2 sweaters on, I would, but anyway, first store I text was Alabama. I was trying to be realistic on which stores will possibly still have the bag. Alabama. I went to a couple of the Beverly Hills ones. California was Beverly Hills was one of the stores. They text back the next day. Baby, by that time the bag's secured. They was like, oh, we don't have the bag, but we can put you on the list. I think 5 of them text back saying they don't have the bag, but they can put me on the list. I didn't know what to say. I said, okay, well, thank you. That's it. One of them text back, did I want to leave my name and all that? I told them no, thank you, and, left it at that. Y'all, I have the bag. If you have not seen this bag in person, don't say nothing until you do, okay? Let's get to unboxing this. I don't know, I just have to tell y'all that. Y'all know I talk. I be talking. Baby, they got faith. They got faith in the UPS system. This one piece of tape. Faith. Oh, jeez Louise. They got faith or great insurance. One of the two. My Lord. It's on. Just like that. There it is. I digress. Because we got a bag. We got a bag, y'all. Oh, goodness. Look at that. It's all. Let me stand right here so you can see what's going on. Let's throw this stuff on the floor. I'm going to pick it up after a while. Oh, I better turn it this way, huh? So y'all can see. Tori, is that you, girl? Hey? Y'all. Oh, look, I'm about to fall. Let me stop cutting up. Fall on my behind. Y'all, I told y'all I was going to find this bag. Because when you do a good deed, it comes back like bam, just like that. Oh, they packaged it so well. Okay, here we are. I can't mess this up because I got to do it on tickety top. Y'all know this by now. If you're not new around here, you know I got to show my tickety top people. Are y'all ready? Here she is, y'all. I'm scared to open it. Oh goodness, come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Tissue. She's still in the plastic. Y'all know I love that. Oh. Okay. Let me get myself together, y'all, because one store I called, literally a local store, my other store that I bought the large at, we have one, but it is only for display. They are not allowing us to sell it. Y'all know I don't want no display. Anyway, everybody little fingers didn't touch it. They little spirits and all that. I don't want it anyway. But you didn't even say, well, you want me to check some stores for you or send you over to. I could call them myself. I don't need you to go extra and beyond. But I did. And I found it. Factory wrapped. Let me get to it because I know y'all sick of me. Sick of me. Okay. What? Baby, does that say? What is that? I hope that light not messing it up, y'all. Y'all see what it say? Yes. I'm over the moon. Because at one point I was doubting myself, but I was like, girl, you got this. You got this. I got this. And I got the bag. She is protected in all her glory. Oh, yes. Okay, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all because I know. I am sick of me. Sick of me. Do you hear me? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Zoe, now y'all hear Zoe out there. She better get put out. Zoe. See? That's a hater. Zoe, are you hating? I don't know. But look. I don't know what she out there growling at because ain't nobody here but us. But do y'all see that? Ah! Y'all just don't know. But look at that. Y'all, perfection for me because y'all know I'm short by this point, okay? Everybody knows how tall am I? Yes, correct. This is perfection. Perfection. Look at her. And she comes with a crossbody, but y'all know at this point we have a series going on, so she will be on the bag breakdown. She won't be broken down today. But look at her. Thank you, Lord, because I was going to lose it if I couldn't find it. Oh, I found her. Oh, I found her. I'm just so happy that she's home because she's her. But look, here's the tag. So if anybody's looking for it, that's the tag. Let me make sure it's on there right. Baby, you see they ain't got no price, huh? They might be upping it. I don't know. They ain't got no price on them. We already know what that means. Y'all, I got the bag. She is here. She is her. She is the moment, okay? Look at her. Look at her. Okay, we'll look at her more when I break her down. But I got the bag, y'all. I told y'all. Baby, the Hunger Games was on Monday morning. And I found her. It is just, y'all, found her in my hometown. Yes. Black and gold. Because see, if you're a Saints fan, you understand. Black and gold to the Super Bowl. Look, don't come on here with that foolishness now. Don't come on here. I'm a Saints fan. It's all in me. Paper bags and all. Black and gold to the Super Bowl. Well, not right now, but down the line we might be going again. We went, and black and gold is the color. I'm always in black, y'all. Maybe a little gold somewhere too. Look at that. See, Zoe out there hating. She about to get put out. She's a pinch away from getting put out. But look at that. I'm gonna just look at that, show y'all that beauty once again. Okay, I will see y'all later. My baby has made it home, and I don't know what to do. Oh, I picked up some other stuff from TB, but I'm gonna show it to y'all on the breakdown video. So this is it. That's all. I will see y'all later. Thank y'all so much for watching. Who doubted me out there? Who doubted me? Because I know somebody doubted me. She didn't sew that bag. It didn't work for me, okay? It was large. This is small. Small is me. I'm hippie, but y'all know I lost all that weight, so I'm still small. Got these big old clothes on because I'm not going to buy no new clothes yet. But I'm small, and small is me. Ah! It's still Pisces season, and the favor is there. Favor is real, and I tell people that favor is upon me, and I shall not want for nothing. Okay? Ah! I'm done. Okay, I will see y'all on the next one. I think I'm scaring her. I will see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me down below if y'all doubted me. Because I know some of y'all did, but it is okay. Because I did it. Okay, bye. Oh, thank y'all so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, and everything else. And I will see y'all on the next one.